Hey guys, we're back here in East Wichita, Kansas today. This is the same job where we had done the basement finish. We had put in an egress window, and then these customers decided to go back to back. And as soon as the basement was done, we went straight into a beautiful sunroom. We've got an awesome pool back here, and it's not a huge backyard, but these people have absolutely maximized their space. Where I'm standing was nothing before. I think there was maybe a sliding glass door, but as you can see, we've opened this up. We framed into the main house, brought it out, and now it's an amazing sunroom. We've got LVP in here. That's really cool. I don't see this kind much. It's real thick planks and grainy texture. Their furniture's amazing. Brand new windows, lots of natural light coming in, and then you look up and it's just beautiful car siding. Nice soffit lighting, and I mean, it's opened this place up tenfold. So this is just another example of the versatility that PICO has. On this job for these customers, we started out with a basement finish. We're here with a sunroom. So we did a little bit of both. We did design build, we did home improvement. So this is just a great example of a wide range, really an endless amount of possibilities that you could do to your own home. For all of your design build remodel needs, choose PICO Builders and Remodelers.